have a lot of athletes, young girls, who get a period and then for 6 months don't get a period. And then when you open the diet, like, why are you eating like a boy? Does any mother or mother-in-law say, ये तेरी health के लिए खा? बच्चे के लिए, बच्चे के दूध के लिए. अरे, what about my body? What about that woman? Why is she being treated like a buffalo? A lot of your bloating, constipation, acidity, burps is to do with your reproductive health. Indian women age very badly. Ugly also, and insides are also so uneven. Early dinner is a scam. So my breakfast still is the lightest and my dinner is still the largest meal of my day. कुछ नहीं होता. Now comes perimenopause.
Yeah, oh God.
Perimenopause is dreadful.
And what is the age bracket that we're looking at?
Early 50s.
For perimenopause? Really? So menopause age was what?
58. राइस बना के 3 दिन फ्रिज में रख दो. वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड NRIs 3 दिन का राइस बनाते हैं एंड दैट इज द हेल्दीएस्ट थिंग टू डू. एवरी स्पाइस हैज अ ब्यूटिफुल एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी कंपाउंड. Very, very, very effective.
Tell me top 3 things every Indian woman should add to her plate daily.
एक गुड नाइट स्लीप की रेसिपी दूं?
हाँ, please. If I had to ask you one thing that Indian women should completely stop doing as a nutrition or a diet, whatever, a trend or a fad, what is that one thing that you would immediately ask women to stop doing blindly?
It'll be hard on them. So I'll give you one which they should stop and I'll give you one which they should follow. The follow wala will be easy.
Okay.
Okay. So what they should stop is adding bread and pav to any meal more than one in the week.
In the week? Okay.
Huh? Limit the bread. You have no idea. Bread just aise na, it slips into the diet so effortlessly.
Yeah.
I did this exercise. We have a lot of clients, so we have a lot of quizzes in app and stuff. So I gave one quiz where I said, tell me the menu for your house, not our diet that you're eating. Okay, and make a menu for 1 week that will have no bread. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Winner will be selected. Anda toast, sandwich, okay, chilla bread. I mean, it was usal pav, pav bhaji, pizza. The list was endless, okay, and they were like handicapped.
Yeah.
कि बच्चा पागल कर रहा है. I said खिलाया आपने, इसलिए पागल कर रहा है.
It's one of the biggest issues, where people, mothers especially, they're like, these guys won't eat roti, sabzi, dal,
Who fed
chawal.
them?
Yeah.
Who fed
But
them?
they also see dusre dabbe in school, na? So they'll come back and say, it's not looking like that dabba. So give me that.
See, I'll tell you, parenting is painful today.
Yeah, I'm sure.
One kid, enough, but painful.
Yeah.
It's not like हमारे ज़माने का,
Yeah,
okay?
बिठा के
हाँ, तो
जो है खाओ चुपचाप.
So there is, you have to educate. You have to take in all the AI that they are going through, take in whatever. Mine is a 16-year-old and imagine a nutritionist's daughter. But I think she turned out pretty well. She's tall, taller than both of us. She is somebody who plays state level badminton. She has amazing hair. She has very good bone structure. She overall today will end up, so there is pumpkin made at home, Tanvi. वो खाती है. The sambar at home, barely you will see a liquid.
Right.
Okay. Then there are tricks. Cauliflower leaves मत फेंको. पालक पनीर में डाल दो. Pumpkin नहीं खाती है family. दाल में blend करो. Finish it off.
Yeah.
Got it? So this is what it is to bring a child up in today's world. Or otherwise, your child is going to start having issues right from the time the first period comes in. Yeah.
So tell us, so these different life stages that we spoke about, right? Tell us some things that we definitely should include in each of those life stages which will help. So during puberty, pre-puberty, what should the mother give the child so that puberty becomes easier? Puberty mein, what should we keep eating so that reproductive years become better? So
Good one.
could you help us with that?
Yes. The moment your girl gets her first period, I think you should have her make friends with seeds.
Okay.
Garden cress seeds, commonly known as olive in the Maharashtrian cuisine,
Yeah.
and asario in Gujarati. Hindi name I don't know. But if we start making rotis which have normal amounts of these seeds, or just put them in dahi on top,
Right.
रायता में डाल दिया, जीरा क्यों रखना है? So that one pinch from the day of her first period, if you keep giving her, slowly it builds up on the iron.
Wow. Okay.
Simple, right? I always like to add til into a lot of tadkas. See, we Gujjus like muthia, right? So muthia mein tadka til ka pad jata hai, patra mein pad jata hai, but it is not a practice in most homes.
Yeah.
Quietly, very quietly, calcium is entering. So no war of doodh piyo, ye karo, X karo. So I always say one meal. Try and include that try and include
Sesame.
the sesame in your girl child especially,
Yeah.
uski diet.
Yeah.
We are somebody who is battling protein. Okay, so I always tell mothers of girls ke 1 katori sprouts every day in any form. Sprouts chilla, I'm okay. Sprouts soup, I'm okay. Sprouts curry as an usal, I'm fine. Veg, non-veg, jo bhi ho, let's include that little protein and that little fiber, because this is when the girl is starting to get her periods. I would like her to follow this till she's 19, 20.
Got it.
The moment there is 20, we technically must say that now she should be ready for marriage. And
Right.
she will, biologically, the earlier the better, she should reproduce.
Right.
In those days, I would love the girl to start focusing on eating seasonal fresh produce.
Acha.
I don't see any girl liking मूली. It's a war in my house. Okay, अभी मूली की सीजन है, क्यों नहीं खाएंगे हम? Okay, अभी वो फ्रेश हल्दी की सीजन है, हम क्यों
Yeah,
नहीं खाएंगे?
yeah.
Fresh healthy produce should be drilled and ingrained in. Jamun, my child barely saw jamun. It is me who's fighting. नहीं तुझे जामुन लेना ही है, नहीं, without 4 jamuns this is not happening. So I do it because I'm probably a nutritionist. Fresh seasonal produce in your plate till your late 20s will ensure that your 30s and your 40s are habituated and they are a lot healthier.
That's true.
Now comes perimenopause.
Oh, yeah. Oh, God. It has become the new devil.
I am glad we are talking about it. And I don't know, but I must have said this in another podcast too. Young bahu and a semi-young mother-in-law. ऐसा कभी होता नहीं था कि mother-in-laws were 60. Mother-in-laws were actively in their early 50s because the women, who came in as bahus were in their early 20s.
Fair enough.
बॉस एक पेरीमेनोपॉज कर रही है और एक PMS कर रही है.
Wow.
समझा? No, it's a fact.
Yeah.
That's why the wars. Trust
Yeah.
me, there is a phase when the mother-daughter, I am dreading it. I hope it never comes. But there is a phase when mother-daughter become enemies. When she is growing up. That is also very...
One peri and one puberty, probably.
We didn't understand that. Okay, the perimenopause is dreadful. Now...
And what is the age bracket that we are looking at?
Now we
अभी तो बहुत change हो रहा है, but
early
standard क्या है?
early 50s. But abhi
For perimenopause. Really?
our moms, one generation before
So
us,
menopause age was what?
58, 56. Now perimenopause
Is happening so much earlier?
lasts for 10 to 12 years. If you're
Oh.
healthy. Yeah. Perimenopause is a 10-year. And now I'm glad that they come to me and like, yaar, I was so healthy in my 30s. What is happening? Why am I bloating? मुझे ये हो रहा है, मुझे leg pain हो रहा है, I am fogging up, मुझे रात को नींद क्यों नहीं आ रही है? Khyati, what's wrong? Then I tell her, welcome to our world. And you know what? Whoever says whatever rubbish, Tanvi, इसके कोई tests नहीं है यार.
हाँ ना?
हाँ, and then you know what? Either you're ridiculed that क्या इतना पूरा दिन aches, pains यही होता रहता है तुझे ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है. No, it's not supposed to be. These are symptoms and very painful ones that she's going through. And then she set such high standards for herself. Workout bhi karna hai, khana bhi banana hai, ye bhi karna hai. Relax, babes. It's like that. I have to tell them it is perimenopause. It is asymptomatic. It won't show in any blood work. Okay, and this is where diet helps you the most.
So tell us everything that we should
Spices are your best friend. Okay, don't blindly use them, but haldi, okay.
By haldi you mean turmeric powder.
Powder, good haldi powder, okay. Lemongrass, garlic, jeera. Every guy has a role to play. And I have an entire 12-week series mapped off when I will use what based on what symptoms and give it to them on rising and give it to them at bedtime.
Wow.
But it is, I can't say, okay, Tanvi, let's talk about this. Let's prescribe it to all our viewers.
Of course.
It is something that you need logic. You need, okay, this is what happened in the last 10 days with her. She's now bloated. She is going to get her period. It's a lot of math.
Wow.
And it is, and I can't explain it. I'm sorry. So, even our team, we tend to discuss, nutrition is a practice.
Yeah.
We tend to discuss, we practice, and then we come out with a solution.
Yeah.
The spices in your kitchen, the herbs in your kitchen, which are off now. Okay, now we have all these ready Italian herbs. But जो हमारा Indian masala box था ना,
there are just basics
always,
that I use.
Always.
Yeah, true.
Second most important thing is cheese, maida, all of these are your enemies. I'm sorry. I know it is craving. I know all of that. But
this is also a phase where बहुत craving भी होता है ना?
so then you come out with solutions. It is again, today I'm craving this a lot. Okay, instead of this, why don't you try this? Let's see how you feel. Okay, you won't bloat. And then you educate them that, no, it's not a craving, that's a real one. It is also a lot mental. So that is...
So in a phase like perimenopause, what does this jeera and turmeric and what do these food groups really do? And why exactly for this?
See, every spice, okay, comes with its own set of compounds, right? Turmeric comes with a set of compounds, scientific ones, very, very, very effective. One pinch of pepper, you will make sure that the curcumin, again, see, technical naam na हमें नहीं लेने चाहिए because अरे mess हो जाता है, then again everybody wants to Google that, they'll go Google a supplement with it. But every spice has a beautiful anti-inflammatory compound.
Wow.
Just know the right usage of it, the right time, the right dosage, and consult a nutritionist who is please qualified, and don't look at the one हमारे यहाँ ना ये सस्ता drives me nuts, So it is never about, even your cloud kitchens, how do you think they afford 200 rupees में a pasta delivered in your kitchen with price?
Agreed.
They are going to use the shittiest of ingredients. You asked for it.
Yeah.
You don't want to pay $450 for a pasta. Then you'll get the best cheese. Then you'll get the best durum wheat pasta. You'll get the best Roma tomatoes used.
Yeah.
Period. So, sasta mat karo. Please go to somebody who knows their job. And please select somebody and please make sure you are doing that.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
fair enough.
It's either this, okay, or then it's downhill from there. You have a terrible menopause. I don't know if I should say this, but Indian women age very badly.
Yeah.
Ugly also. And insides are also so unhealthy. So I worry. You see a Western woman age. Europe ki baat karo. US is having its own set of battles. They age a lot better.
Yeah, I agree.
Lot better.
And I think also going to an expert who understands your roots and your food, that तुम्हारी मिट्टी जिसको समझ में आती है उससे
roots. I mean, Tanvi, I'll tell you what. मुझे नहीं पता था कि there is Malayalam food, there is Tamil, there is Telugu, okay, there is Tulu food. For me, South Indian है. And then my client long back, online जब 10 years back शुरू किया, we don't eat this, but I'm like, you're a South Indian, right? हम ये खाते हैं. We are Tambrams. Okay, this lot eats the non-veg. This lot eats the coconut. This lot eats. And then it is fascinating.
Yeah,
I don't know how you can't not like it. Any dietitian who doesn't like reading about food, and I mean, I go to the history of it, and then I realized that put one and one together, and that's what's missing in your life.
So we include these food groups for perimenopause so that our menopause becomes a lot more handleable. And then,
Again, menopause is something where you start aging, right? There, I feel you have to change the way you eat completely.
tell us.
That is when I would say there is a concept called double protein in your thali. That is the time I want you to eat chicken plus dal.
Acha.
Double protein. Okay? कोई भी meal without protein नहीं खाना नहीं. Double protein. You have to make sure your carbs are reducing. Your roti becomes smaller and smaller and smaller. Your rice becomes lesser and lesser and lesser. Go for more veggies. Go for local seasonal produce. I'm not saying kale le lo, ye le lo.
Ah, of course.
Go for the very normal seasonal produce, but have a double pro. That's it. Don't complicate things too much. That's it. Just double pro kar.
But the more older you get, doesn't it become more difficult for the body to digest that protein?
If you have taken care of yourself early on, then no. And if you can't, then we start with 1 katori each. Move on then to 1 bowl each. है ना? Again, I don't realize. सब लोग आते हैं and they start asking for a diet plan. And they think that diet plan is God-given diet plan.
Yeah.
But what I
It's gonna
tell them
magically
is,
work, yeah.
and then when I give when the first diet goes, the first call is about ये तो मैं खाती हूँ खुद ही. This is what I eat. What is so different? पैसा क्यों ले लिया इतना सारा? Like, relax. It's a 90-day journey with us. Right? तो पहले वो खाओ जो खा के बड़े हुए हो और अभी खा रहे हो. So they don't realize that we have they see the roti sabzi. They don't see that we've reduced the complex carb ratio. We've increased the complex carb ratio. We've reduced the simple carbs. They don't realize because दिखने में तो रोटी सब्जी है. But then when they come back,
They're feeling lighter. Yeah.
I'm 2 kgs. कैसे हुआ ये? And then the education starts. That this is what happened. I changed this. You didn't even realize.
Right.
So diet कभी भी ना एक ideal diet होती ही नहीं है. You are always moving towards better. So even in menopause, if somebody comes with rickety bones, I don't start off with high calcium and make most dietitians probably do, because again experience भी count करता है.
Correct.
There is a live 20 years of experience seeing people all over the world, right? And that matters, that stays with you. Okay, this is what had happened, that is what had happened, right? So you deal with it, you learn, and then you can actually, and see old aunties and uncles ना diet के लिए पैसा क्यों देना है? मुझे आता है खाने को, मैंने तुझे खिलाया, तूने माय मॉम विल कम एंड से हाँ, मैं कहा मम्मी इतना तेल, व्हाट आर यू सेंडिंग मी? अब मैं कल से पानी में तड़का देती हूँ तेरे लिए. I'm like हाँ दे देना यार. So it's their space.
Yeah.
You can't say you are messing up. ठीक है? हाँ. So then यहाँ पे
धीरे start including.
And they are already in this zone where, and see, we have a lot of kids who are in the US. Parents are here in Kanpur, Lucknow, Rajkot. They are worried.
Yeah.
And then they trust us. Ki I'm paying, but
Ensure.
problem is yours. So that is again taught me so much that somebody is trusting their mother with me. And now so then I love the fun, okay? I love it when she says, क्यों भरा उसने पैसा, मुझे आता है सब. And I'm like, नहीं यार, हम टाइम पास करते हैं, आप मुझे बताओ कौन सी रेसिपी आप बढ़िया बनाते हो. It starts from there.
Right.
And then it goes, मेरी ये वाली ट्राई करोगे क्या? चलो मैं आपको ये डाइट में देती हूँ. And then हाँ अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे.
So it becomes more playful, more conversational.
So menopausal, you can't touch that space unless it's a very educated woman. I have a very famous fashion designer. Okay,
Right.
Miss Neeta Lula, who's my client.
Okay.
But come on, she's coming from a very well-versed, nutritionally sound backlog of so many
Agreed.
years that she is, it's effortless.
Yeah.
You just tell her this is, and yeah, great.
She'll pick it
This
up.
is what we'll do. Correct. So to each his own again.
That is true.
Yeah.
The other problem that also gets talked about a lot in the older generation is osteoporosis in women. What do you suggest as a nutritional guideline or something that can, you can start doing a little earlier? या फिर जिनको onset है osteoporosis का, उन्होंने क्या करना चाहिए?
So सबसे पहले तो I don't know this deal, okay? Moms ना जान खा जाती है हमारी throughout our childhood. दूध पियो. It's drilled in us.
Yeah.
Okay. मेरे को तो दही छाछ के बिना भी नहीं छोड़ते हैं.
Right.
Dairy. And we are vegetarians. I was Gujju. I mean, I'm a Gujju.
Right.
So, I remember all my life being tortured with milk, which I feel today is a big help. Along with that, we are not South Indians, but then every South Indian household, you will see a lot of ragi.
Yeah.
Beautiful, rich in calcium. Our millets,
Yeah.
rich source of minerals.
Yeah.
So I feel that मम्मी खुद पे क्यों नहीं इस्तेमाल करती है ये? कभी I don't see my mom with a glass of milk, है ना? She will make sure that she tells me कि तूने बहुत बुरा किया है कि त्रिशु को मिल्क नहीं दिया. Commenting on my child not having milk.
Right.
मैं कहा when was the last time you had milk? First.
उनके बचपन में.
हाँ. मैं कहा फिर कहाँ गया तेरा milk? है ना? So then she'll realize that हाँ ना. So women don't even realize when they stopped having milk. They didn't realize when everything just blew off. And then suddenly you come up with osteopenia, which means pain in the knees.
Okay.
Now, the pain in the knees is again something where there are these painkiller injections which you have to have, which are 10,000-20,000 rupees,
No, acha.
which actually bring you to a level of mobility, which
Okay.
then with a diet can help you reduce weight, with a little physiotherapy. तो ये जो पूरी ट्रीटमेंट है ना, 40,000 रुपया मुझे कुछ नहीं कराना. Babes, the osteopenia has gone to osteoporosis.
Oh God. Oh.
You get me? The solution is simple. The solution is whoever says this dairy mess, not Tanvi, we've been having dairy for centuries,
Absolutely.
generations. Suddenly, how you're becoming lactose intolerant? Why don't we become Maggi intolerant? Why don't we become biscuit intolerant? Why don't we become cheese intolerant? We become intolerant only of healthy foods.
Maybe also because there's a lot of
Crap.
gup around around the milk that comes to your house is not clean itself. The vegetables that come to your house are not clean
Maggi is
anymore.
clean.
नहीं है ना तो but healthy maybe that's how you kind of start telling yourself कि यार ये कौन सा healthy है ये भी तो सब गंदा ही आ रहा है.
Correct. So which is better?
Yeah, fair enough.
All I say is that, okay, we are not living in the Himalayas. चलो वो भी pollute हो रहा है. But ideal world है ही नहीं.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
If you want your milk, जाके ढूंढो. There are people who give very genuine quality milk.
Correct.
Take the trouble. Go roam around. Sunday shopping मत जाओ. Sunday cafe hopping मत जाओ. Milk hopping जाओ. Get your sources sorted. It's a very basic thing.
Yeah.
I feel that, for everything that is told as bad, there is an international alternative coming, which is good.
Yeah.
है ना? तेरा 50, 60, 70 rupees milk है शायद अभी, but you will take almond milk now.
That is true. Oh God.
That is 400. The best
I
quality
find
is
nut
400.
milk. I mean, I know I'll garner some haters, but I just find it ridiculous, that whole concept.
हाँ. मुझे अच्छा लगता है, but देख almond milk
No, not as a replacement.
replace क्यों करना है? So नहीं, मेरे घर पे तो मिल्क आएगा. So sometimes I feel even quinoa.
Yeah.
Oh my God, our millets can put quinoa down by notches, यार.
Yeah.
But नहीं quinoa. ठीक है, इसीलिए फिर हम बोलते हैं बाजरा contains phytates. You can't absorb anything. No, for centuries you have been.
Yeah.
And now suddenly you can't. So let's not get carried away by whatever we see. I don't know why is it so difficult to understand कि जो हम देखते हैं, we have to filter. Nobody filters today. And somewhere we also pick the easiest route now.
That is the most important.
Convenience.
Yeah, that is true. But anyways, coming back to osteoporosis. So you're saying that if the early stages are neglected, and those can be kind of controlled or managed with whatever the doctors prescribe, and also things like milk and ragi and natural sources of calcium, basically. Okay, but if a woman has osteoporosis, then what? What do you think is a good nutrition?
Severity of osteo is something we'll need to know.
Okay.
And whenever osteoporosis is diagnosed, it is always with a DEXA scan. A DEXA scan also tells me the muscle and tells me the fat. So then it becomes about quality of life, Tanvi. So in quality of life, then auntie chal pa raha hai. Okay. Auntie ka weight kya hai? Auntie ko agar, what is the level of protection we have to give her? Is she going to have a fall in the bathroom?
Right.
Okay. Based on that, either it's a fat loss diet or it is a diet which is going to help her strengthen her muscles with physio,
Right.
or it is just minor supplementation that I can just take. Depends on the severity. But nutrition and logic in the diet, they play 90% role in the quality of life you live.
That is true. That is true. I think since your childhood to post-menopause and everything, right? Let's also quickly dabble into, different lifestyles that women today are living, right? So there are women who are working. Some of them are doing remote jobs.
Yeah.
Some of them are really traveling every day.
Yes.
And then there are also a decent share of part-time people, freelancers, homemakers,
Yes,
you know.
yes, yes.
So obviously हर एक category के लिए कुछ निकाल पाना अभी के लिए बहुत मुश्किल है. Of course, if we get enough responses, we will do another part with you. But just a basic logic, एक क्या framework एक use करना चाहिए? If I know that I sit at home and I work all day, it's a stressful job, but
Yeah.
I don't have to travel. Versus a woman who's out of the house, literally traveling, doing her job, and then coming back, and then everybody needs to take care of their
Yeah.
diet. So
Yeah.
what is that basic framework or logic that you apply for your clients?
So I think I should start with this and then take the food groups.
Yeah.
We all, Tanvi, feel that मैं आज का खाना कल नहीं खा सकती.
हाँ.
मैं आज का खाना बच्चे को कल नहीं दूंगी.
हाँ.
Okay.
बासी खाना and
हाँ.
stale food. Yeah.
But वो आया कहाँ से? Where did it start? It started with my great grandmother, and it went on my grandmother, and after that, why didn't it stop? I don't know, because घर में refrigerator तो आ गया. Again, tradition and why were they there? कोई पूछता क्यों नहीं है? India is a humid country.
Yeah.
Weather does not allow us to keep food outside and eat it tomorrow. वो सड़ जाता है. Correct? It helps us make our dahi. It helps us make amazing dokla batters. It makes us amazing idlis, dosas. Imagine world without it.
Yeah.
But at the same time, ये खाना हम स्टोर नहीं कर पाते थे, इसीलिए हम रोज खाना बनाते थे. अब अगर आपके पास फ्रिज है, even freezing, it is one of the most healthiest things to do with your food.
No way.
Yes, way.
Women are put through so much guilt
Diaper,
for cooking food and storing it. ये कैसी औरत है? ये बासी खाना कैसे देती है बच्चों को?
ये कैसी माँ है डायपर पहनाती है? You're supposed to go through all the postpartum pain and stand and still wash langots.
Yeah.
Then you're a good mother.
Yeah.
Adarsh wali maa. Nothing.
So freezing food is good.
Technically, to freeze a vegetable or to freeze a fruit, okay, I can't mess. It cannot be raw.
Yeah.
It can't be overripe. दोनों जगह frozen food खराब हो जाएगा. So the food that I freeze, anything, it has to be top-notch quality. Okay, it is nutritious and it just freezes. So it is sometime better than the cabbage wilted one that you will buy in your house.
Fair enough.
It is just the scientific process of freezing. Even if it is frozen chicken or frozen gravy, तू रात वाली सुबह करके फिर फ्रीज में डालेगी, it will start smelling.
Yeah.
So you have to be supremely careful when you're freezing, and that is the healthiest thing to do. So I don't know why मैं 3 दिन का राइस बना के the entire Western world, NRIs, 3 दिन का राइस बनाते हैं.
Yeah, because there is no option.
And nothing happens. It is better than eating junk, right? And I'll tell you what, we are in the war of cooking every day. Not everybody has a maid, not everybody has a cook. आधा टाइम तो हमारी maids आती ही नहीं है, right?
Yeah, true.
So then what you do is, अब मुझे बहुत कंटाला आ रहा है, अब please
मंगा लेते हैं.
पाव भाजी मंगाते हैं, ये whatever, and then मंगाते हैं becomes a treat, and that treat becomes very often. I'd rather rice बना के 3 दिन का रखो.
Yeah.
दाल, boiled दाल, keep it ना.
तड़का बाद में
फ्रेश तड़का मारो. आज मुझे लहसुन वाला खाना है, आज मुझे ग्रीन चिली खानी है, आज मुझे ये खाना है. be intelligent. So that's what I make the clients do. Even chillas. Just make the batters, fridge mein rakh do. Okay, use it in 2-3 days.
Yeah.
What is the problem?
Yeah.
Why? You're not able to cope. You feel like shit. You order shit. Your family eats shit. So
And then the guilt just keeps compounding.
I'm a
Because
bad wife. I'm a bad mother.
yeah. And I'm getting fat and people, I'm looking ugly and I can't do this much also. And कितना responsibilities और झमेले लेके घूमते रहते हैं.
आजकल पता है नए my a lot of old clients don't like the refrigerators that are available अभी. There's like a whole section of freezing.
Yeah.
फ्रिज कम है यार इसमें फ्रीजर इतना सा बड़ा फ्रीजर मुझे क्यों चाहिए
Yeah.
मुझे चाहिए इन माई हाउस यू विल फाइंड सोक्ड rajma, soaked moong, you will find soaked brown chana, you will find all the pulses that are soaked and kept because अगर आज रात को मेड नहीं आई ना फिर भी छोले राइस बन जाएगा घर पे
Right.
एक सैलड के साथ
Right.
and a glass of buttermilk. Get it? So this is how it saves. Pasta, मेरे पास तो रेड सॉस फ्रोजन ही है घर पे. We made it, I keep it. So there is no mess of today I want to eat pasta, mom. No, mom, I am ordering. मुझे आज पास्ता ही खाना. हाँ मैं बनाती हूँ ना.
Correct.
That is how it is. So use, please.
Yeah.
Convenience ये वाली use करो.
Ah, not the
Maggi
Zomato
वाली,
convenience.
Zomato वाली नहीं ना. And you'll save a ton of money.
That is true.
Yeah, ton of money in your ordering and a ton of money then to pay dietitian, to pay doctor, to buy tablets. So imagine, it's a lot of money.
Yeah, of course it is.
Health pe aaj, my God. And curative hospitals. Why are our hospitals always waiting mein and full?
Yeah, true. And tell us the logic of plating for at least a few of these. Like people who are at home
हाँ.
and working, people who are traveling. इनका plating कैसा होना चाहिए?
So see, I'll tell you a lot
And
of...
I mean, here I'm very specifically asking for women because they are really, I find a lot of my friends so stressed out कि यार कैसे manage करूँ मैं ये सब?
Done.
Just can't help it. So
Yeah. See, the most ideal, I don't know, meal for a dabba was always told roti sabzi. है ना? हाँ, it was a poor man's meal.
Yeah.
But what I always tell, anybody who's wrapping things in the morning, I'm like, instead of making such a mess of roti, sabzi, है ना? रोटी है कल रात की, ठीक है, यूज कर ले, उसकी एक रैप बना ले. Okay, so instead of sabzis and cooking it and taking that boring cabbage or that boring cauliflower, pulses तो है ही and boiled pulses रखो, सौते कर ले pulse को, थोड़ी सी अच्छी चटनी लगा, make sure that so carb,
yeah.
taste, protein, it could be paneer, it could be chicken, बीच में डालो, wrap it, okay,
Yeah.
and take it along. And yes, that I allow. Buy that 10 rupee, 20 rupee dahi.
Dahi.
So that you have had a double protein. You will not crave. You will not look at, चलो तू देखेगी भी तो भी सेव पूरी नहीं देखेगी. You will go for a better option which is the bhel. कि चलो without save वाली मैं भेल खा लूँ. And I don't know why is it difficult. If you right now also see my bag, देखो एक apple तो मिलेगा ही. How is it difficult? You are okay to eat a vada pav.
Yeah.
But you aren't okay to eat one apple. वड़ा पाव भी तो रास्ते पे खड़े रह के खाते हैं, यहाँ करते एप्पल खा लो यार. So this is what I say. Easy रखो. Okay, even if it is a woman, I don't buy no carb lunches. So I'll say 25% pasta, 25% veggies, 25% sauce, and 25% protein. झेल लो उसको. Put the chana, put the tofu, put the paneer, put whatever you want to.
Yeah.
But make that whole meal, it is so satisfying. So satisfying.
True.
You have your taste.
And because you've prepped, you're not even like dying.
Take, go. Just pick and go. And pick and go. So I do that. मेरे घर पे you will find all of that. Yeah. And my child has never taken fresh dabba. It is 6 a.m. that she, and 6 a.m. बना के फिर वो soggy हो गया, ये हो गया, no. There's muthia already pre-made always and she's called the muthia girl in school. But हाँ, और मेरे मुठिया में फिर रागी घुसा दो, फिर कोई quietly कोई अच्छी अभी I feel knows की protein is compromised, दही डाल दो, चना flour डाल दो. And see, these have been our protein sources for centuries. This is how it is.
Yeah, true. And what about when you are kind of looking into the food that goes in your system? but there is still this struggle of time and I'm not being able to match up to everything. तो ये workout, exercising, ये कितना role play करना चाहिए इसमें?
So, जब कोई आता है ना, after my talk or after the talk from my team, very motivated, हाँ, नहीं, मैं तो करूँगी workout. I'm like, listen, no. 95% role of any change in your body, I'm not saying six-pack preps and I'm not saying actor level, but between you, me, and whoever, a general Indian that comes in, babes, there's a lot going on.
Yeah.
So, and wahan 95% changes happen only through your diet first. So, मैं पहले ही बोल देती हूँ, like, listen, between workout and prepping for tomorrow, be prep for tomorrow. Between you are very tired, you need 20 extra minutes of sleep and workout, be tired, we are sleeping, we are going to do that.
Yeah.
So workout is the last thing that I want the client to start, because वो छूटा ना, और वो छूटने ही वाला है, because वो lifestyle नहीं है. Then the diet also has gone for a toss, which means you have again called yourself a failure, and then you will never start any health regime.
Yeah, true. You know, there are 2-3 common patterns that came out of the questions that my friends sent me, women. And most of them were to do with the quality of sleep. And because नींद नहीं आती है, तो craving होने लगता है. तो क्रेविंग होते हैं तो घर का कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगता है, तो हम मंगा लेते हैं क्योंकि अब तो 12 बजे भी मिलता है खाना. सो दे वर ऑल रियली स्ट्रगलिंग विद दैट, एंड दैट केम आउट एज द मोस्ट कॉमन क्वेश्चन कि यार एक तो ये स्लीप की क्वालिटी का क्या किया जाए, एंड सेकंड इज कि ये क्रेविंग को कैसे हटाएं.
एक गुड नाइट स्लीप की रेसिपी दूं?
हाँ, प्लीज.
टेक दही, please, a Greek yogurt, etc. Yes, I add it to diets when I feel that no, I need that extra kick of protein. Or if the client's living abroad, jahan dahi jamana is, but you have dahi, and take dahi. In dahi, take the 1 katori, about 75 grams dahi, homemade better, and put kishmish, black, brown, please don't worry about it. Just take 8-9 kishmish, put it.
Got it.
And put 1 pinch of cinnamon powder. हाँ, इसको mix करो.
That sounds also tasty.
इसको खाओ, and you will love the sleep you get.
Really?
The tryptophan,
Wow.
the sugars, okay?
The what?
Healthy sugars from the kishmish.
The
Tryptophan, milk में
Okay.
एक compound होता है. See, that's why I don't like scientific compounds. You get good sleep.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's like my,
So it's something that women can have every night?
every day.
Really?
आइसक्रीम खाते हो ना पूछे बिना, चॉकलेट भी तो जाती है एवरी डे, है ना? सो व्हाई नॉट दिस? एंड सिनेमन विल स्टेबलाइज दैट लिटिल बिट ऑफ शुगर इफ एट ऑल कोई ऊपर जा रही है
तो उससे क्रेविंग कैन आल्सो बी टेकन केयर ऑफ.
इफ यू वांट एनीथिंग क्रंची, इफ यू वांट चटपटा, ओके, माय गो टू इज खाखरा क्रश. ओके, टेक द ट्रबल, चॉप अ टमेटो, चॉप अनियन, हर में ग्रीन चटनी होती है, सम स्प्रिंकल लाइम, मीठा चटनी, just eat it up. Yum.
For a craving.
Yeah, yum. Midnight craving. Less than 80 calories, you're done.
क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि you want to, everybody talks about early dinners, तो हम early dinner खा लेते हैं, फिर नींद तो नहीं आती है, फिर भूख तो लगती है.
Can I clear this? Early dinner is a scam.
No.
If you sleep at 2 a.m., my job
then
makes
yes.
me sleep at 2 a.m., I will be hungry.
Yeah.
So जो 2 a.m. वाली लड़की है ना मेरी, she eats between 10:30 and 11.
Okay.
Because she comes from work.
At 9:30.
She's relaxed. She's cooking, or she's ordering something healthy, or she's trying to eat what mama sent, mama made. She needs a life. And then by the time it's 2, she's sleeping. So पेट थोड़ा भरा रहना चाहिए when you sleep. It is a very Western concept, and see, early dinners there, but then their meal is 80% protein. It's a steak. It's potatoes and it's veggies. That's the traditional meal they have. And if it was the Afghan or the northern region early meal, it is a rotli or a rotla full of ghee, butter,
Yeah,
and that sustains you.
Yeah.
हम तो खाना ही लाइट खाते हैं. So it's okay to urbanize yourself to at least either you follow whatever you can, or you take the route which you're never going to be able to follow
Yeah.
and crib all your life.
Yeah.
So
So true.
take the route which you can follow. There's never a no here. Yeah.
Give us some, because we are at the last segment of this, give us some, there are a lot of women who always want nice skin, and we all know that a lot of it is to do with what you eat and the kind of life you live. So give us
only
some
to
nice
do.
food groups for good skin, for good hair.
Yeah. So at 42, I get complimented for my skin and hair, and
Sure.
it is very they find it very shocking that I've lost 42 kgs and I still managed to have this skin, whereas all my 20s were about losing the weight, losing the weight, losing the weight. 30s were about managing the weight, managing the weight, managing the weight.
Yeah.
So one thing that has worked for me, Tanvi, is staying away from cleanups and facials. Sorry. Yeah. And the other thing that worked is barely using any face wash.
Really?
It's always either a besan pack, which, 1 minute lagta hai banane. And now I don't see myself use face wash, a chemical face wash, ever. It's 1 minute. And nothing na. I just dahi roll kar de.
Yeah.
Thoda. That's it.
Oh, dahi works. That I've
Only
tried.
that. And I don't know why there's such a big ruckus. And
And there are so many
Yeah.
routines and matlab, I think vanity is made so cumbersome these days ना. ऐसा लगता है यार वेन दिखने के लिए इतना करना पड़ेगा.
yeah. See, I think I got very good docs. My gynac was good. I think my, derma and Dr. Jayashree's, I mean, if I go to her and I was like, now I'm 40, कुछ करे क्या? क्यों करना है? सब ठीक तो है life में.
That is true.
You're eating well. What are you doing? So now when it comes to external, do all this. Moisturizing, yes.
Yeah.
Prescription based, try karo lena. I mean, at 30s, after 30s, anything you apply should be prescription based.
But food में क्या खाना
And
चाहिए?
food में आती हूँ. Give me one woman, okay, after her 20s, eating 2 fruits a day, every day, for 1 month.
I'm not sure.
कोई कमेंट में लिख दो अगर कर रहा है ये. और डाइट वाइट पे हो तो नहीं, बट हैव यू डन दैट ऑन योर ओन? नो, आई डू दैट. इफ आई हैवंट डन 2 fruits a day, आई एम नॉट डूइंग डिनर.
Okay.
That's a rule. Okay. We also tend to get very scared of nuts. उसमें बहुत कोलेस्ट्रॉल होता है, बहुत कोलेस्ट्रॉल होता है, बहुत कोलेस्ट्रॉल होता है. 2 almonds and 2 walnuts, based on the season, just add into your diet. Add it for a really long time. I don't see a problem. So it is always about fresh, local produce too. Okay. Of
fruits
course,
or
the rest
nuts?
of it is, I feel पहले इतना करो, फिर प्रोटीन की बात करते हैं. फिर दूसरी बात करते हैं. पहले let's,
Yeah.
है ना, between you and me, I say that only. पहले 2 fruit खा के दिखा. ठीक है, फिर देखते.
So actually it's not that difficult. It's just there is too much noise around us, and if you don't use this Korean routine, your skin won't look like this. If you don't use this Japanese routine, your skin won't look like this. बहुत डरा के रखा हुआ है सबको, मतलब, and it just feels like it's unattainable if I can't do all of this.
Yeah.
And most times it's just basic things that work.
See, I also think, Tanvi, it is a lot to do with what space you are in.
Yeah.
Okay. With me, I feel a lot of my time just goes in work, then talking to my 16-year-old or reading up. Ke makeup and all of that sounds too. I get scared.
Yeah,
honestly.
and it's exhausting.
Yeah,
It is
yeah, yeah,
exhausting.
yeah. So, the lesser I hear,
Yeah.
the better. It's like that.
Yeah. So I'm going to play like a quick game with you, okay? This is it just helps take away information in
Faster
in a more
Compact way.
digestible way if since I'm talking to a nutritionist. Okay. So tell me top 3 things every Indian woman should add to her plate daily, no matter what age.
Haldi, vegetables, and one source of protein coming from either dairy or non-veg.
Okay. Top 3 red flags that your diet is slowing your metabolism.
Maida. Invisible.
How do you come to know? So what are those red flags that your body gives you जिससे तुमको पता चलता है कि भाई तुम्हारा metabolism diet की वजह से एकदम slow हो गया है?
Bloating, burping, sluggishness, erratic sleep, burning sensation, everything related to the way you are digesting your food.
Got it. Top 3 lifestyle changes that beat any supplement.
Sleep,
How many hours should a woman get sleep?
just deep sleep. Mine is 6 hours, but
So
deep sleep.
So it's
Deep.
different for everybody.
Yes. Just get some deep sleep. Second is learn to relax. Most underrated. Relax करना ही नहीं आ रहा है हमें.
क्या है फर्क रिलैक्सेशन और रेस्ट और स्लीप में?
So I'm sitting here, okay. I'm watching TV. It's an uplifting film or it's something I like on. काम वाली क्यों नहीं आई? ये क्यों हो रहा है? वो क्यों हो रहा है? इसने ऐसे क्यों लिखा? इसका इंस्टाग्राम स्टेटस ये क्यों है? इसको मैं क्या? Breathe.
Right. So consciously teach yourself to just not wander every
Love
time.
yourself, yeah. Love yourself. Spend
Yeah.
some time with yourself.
Yeah. What's the one thing you wish Indian women knew about protein and muscle?
That too much is still going to be harmful. Don't blindly follow everybody who's eating protein and start yours.
That is true. One thing you wish women should stop believing about food and weight loss.
That eating carbs makes you gain weight.
Absolute rubbish.
Rubbish.
It
Can I give
depends
you
on
one
what
more?
carb.
Can I give you one more?
Yeah, sure.
Stop believing that potato is a vegetable.
Okay.
Potato is coming from the grain family.
अच्छा.
It has starch. So हम आलू रोटी नहीं खा सकते. It is not roti sabzi. हम आलू चावल नहीं खा सकते. So I tell my clients, we drop the aloo or we drop the roti.
Got it.
So, you tend to think मैं सब कर रही हूँ वो क्यों नहीं रहा है? It's because of this. But look at our dishes. आलू पराठा,
Yeah.
वड़ा पाव, आलू पकौड़ा.
नमक ज्यादा पड़ गया तो हम आलू डाल लेते हैं यार मतलब.
Yeah.
Okay. And one last, which is like a quick fire. Okay. Fact or fad? You have to tell me fact or fad. Fasting is the best detox.
हाँ, fact.
Is it?
Fact.
Is it good for women? Because there's a lot of conversation about how it messes your hormonal balance.
It's rubbish. Fasting does not mean starving to kill yourself. But if you start eating only for 12 hours, okay, or 10 hours of your day and give rest 10, 12, 14 hours, I'm happy.
So a 14-hour fasting window is good for a woman.
See, Tanvi, logic is missing from our thought process.
I agree.
Guys, there is a liver, there is a heart, there is a brain, they have a life, there's kidneys. Okay? You are what you think when you're doing by popping something anytime. Babes, it's like a factory. यहाँ से process शुरू हो रहा है. Mastication, saliva mixing, swallowing, work. Everything is work. So then let's work 24/7. Na? You want work-life balance? These guys
does
are
your
not
body.
screaming for work-life balance. They need rest. बच्चा नींद में बड़ा होता है, उसको सोने दो, right? भाई हम नींद में rejuvenate होते हैं. So rest, नींद means I say don't feed your body anything at all times.
Yeah.
The
Or whenever you just feel like eating
Digestion
something.
is
Don't do
a
that.
huge ass process. Every time. Then, there are these signals sent to the pituitary gland. ये hormone release करो, ये करो. It's a cycle.
Yeah. And in your head, मैंने तो एक ही almond खाया. So true.
You can't.
Another one. Women need less protein than men. Fact or fad?
Fact.
Dairy is bad for hormones.
Rubbish. Know your source. That's it.
Yeah, fair enough. Strength training makes women bulky, of course.
Crap, yaar.
Yeah. Skipping dinner helps with weight loss.
Rubbish.
I think we knew the answers to that.
Yeah, but I am a gujju. Okay, I don't know if I tell them my example. I have grown up with Bonvita when I was a child because
Yeah,
that time
we
Mama
all
was
have, yeah.
Yeah, Bonvita was dessert.
Yeah,
Okay.
totally.
But
Just sugar.
हाँ, but बिचारी मम्मियों को भी क्या ना, they used to work so hard to be able to afford that Bonvita to give us यार with milk. Fools ना, ऐसे companies can just come and do whatever. But then later on, I am still somebody. I grew up on tea khakra or tea thepla, Gujarati, right? I still am a tea khakra person. I couldn't leave that. So my breakfast still is the lightest and my dinner is still the largest meal of my day. कुछ नहीं होता. कैलोरी को नहीं पता है कि रात हो गई है या सुबह हो गई है.
That is true.
Yes, you don't eat and then you don't plonk yourself.
Yeah.
And sleep.
Give yourself some time.
Give yourself some time to digest. That's about
And
it.
a basic process of digestion takes what, about 2 hours?
If you're messed up, 3.5.
Okay.
Yeah, slow motility, hormonal mess. So yeah, 2 hours though is like a young boy, a young girl, touch wood, still healthy.
उसमें हो जाता है.
Yes. And every food has a cycle. Banana fast हो जाएगा, grain slow हो जाएंगे. And that's what we want. We want food that is digested slowly, which gives you constant sugar supply. या तो drip करो, या तो, when we have IV, वो drip क्यों होता है? It's
धीरे
going,
धीरे जाना
it's
है.
assimilating, it's getting where it has to get, as against like a gush of that liquid.
That's true. Amazing. This chat was so amazing. So obviously we thought that we'll start with focusing on women, but in the first half we got so much understanding just on how food works, how your body works, no matter whether it's man or woman.
Yeah.
There are some basic standard rules, and just don't get crazy about just reading up fads and adopting things. Understand what your body needs. Strangely, every episode that I have done on Meet Me Halfway, and no matter what the topic is, as long as it's got to do with you and how your mind or body is reacting to certain things, there has been one basic conclusion: that take time out to understand your body.
Yeah.
Let it communicate with you. Don't become deaf to your own body and instead listen to everyone else. We all, like, it's okay. मुझे pulses suit नहीं होते, मेरी बहन को होते हैं.
Yeah.
So it's okay. That doesn't mean I'm gonna like go and say, अरे नहीं, ये तो मेरी blood है ना, उसको होते तो मुझे भी होने चाहिए. It's okay. She can't digest meat the way I digest meat. So just be calm and take some time out for yourself. Food is gold if you treat it like that. Don't just pick out things and put it in your plate because someone is becoming thin and someone is becoming, gaining the muscle and all of that. So this is great stuff, Kathy. I can't tell you. It's going to help so many women, so many people just understand their bodies better and how it functions. So thank you so much for taking this time out. And if there is anything that you guys think, I missed out in covering, please don't let that comment section lie dormant. It's there for a reason. Write to us. Help me help more people, because when you take that initiative to write a question and when we answer it, it's going to help so many more people who have probably not done it. So please write to us. Please let us know if there is anything more that we should cover. We will definitely request Kathy to make this long trip again and we can pick up those topics. For now, thank you so much.
Most welcome. I had a lot of fun.
I'm so glad.